Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today in this video, I was gonna show you guys some Roblox picture, and I don't know how you guys pronounce it, but I pronounce it decals, I don't know. But, yeah, so I was gonna show you guys some pictures, and I did have, actually, I was gonna put a picture frame in here. I still will. So let's buy some pictures and I will show you what I have to show you. So, yes. Okay, first of all, what we have to do is we have to go to storage. I like pictures with like the picture frames around it. I just like it like that. Oh, what the heck am I doing? I usually go to do this. Ooh, a piano. I could get a classic piano for $4,000, but I really want to. I might later. I'll put it in the. I'll have to find where to put it though. Okay, trying to find pictures. Oh, here's a couple painting. Oh, I think I might have to paint. There we go. I don't know how big this is, but we'll just get a 300. Wait, no, we can see how little it is. Jeez, we want our child to look at it and think, oh, I'm inspired. But I was thinking about putting one, let's do the placement small, so it can fit right in the middle of the TV. Or should we put one behind her bed? No, because she'll probably look at it like that. There we go. And then let's go to the second floor in my room. And yeah, I do have that, so where do I put it though? 150. I'll put one right. I don't know where I move my clock though. Ooh, what about in the bathroom? Yeah, I'll just put one in the bathroom. Put one here. Put one in the bathroom. Put one down in the other bathroom. Put one right here. And then maybe put one right here about cooking. I'm always bad at matching them like this. Okay, one goes up here and one goes like that. But we're not painting or especially today. That looks pretty good. Okay, here we go. So we got a couple of paintings in already. Now we're just gonna go inside and we are going to work on them. So, ta-da! Welcome to my house. It's been a long time since you guys were in here. I'm just kidding. So the first one, I think we should do bubbles. So the code is 156-269-744. And you press that, and look at that, that's pretty. And then you go in here. Okay, let's press this, change picture. Let's try two out. One? Wait. So, I actually think we should do a flower one. So the flower one is 61 8 3 9 9 2. Wait, I wasn't even typing. That one is 618 399 618 618 399 618 399 and 27. And that is supposed to be a flower, but I guess it wasn't working. Let's do another flower. 854. That one doesn't work, so it's 854 317, and then it is 470. See how that works? Look at that. It makes a beautiful flower. I'll have to find a cooking one that would be good for right there. But I do have a big painting in here that I could do. Let's do a pineapple. The pineapple one is 116 183 7682. And here is the pineapple. Looks really good. I really like it on there. And let's go upstairs. Well, heading upstairs. Okay. Let's do a rose. So 156 3158. And then 3158 77. And this is supposed to be our beautiful rose. This one is, I didn't really have a name for this one, but I really liked it. It's 166 858 1344. Here it is. It is like an inspirational text, but I was thinking about putting this one in my room, so I thought it looked really good. Let's do, since we did that one, we did this one, let's do a Tumblr one. It is 288-5-1604. 516. Oh, I messed up. It is 288-516-043. That's what I was reading, the 0. And here she is. She looks very pretty. And we did that one. Let's do, it's a person making a heart on the beach. It's 838-941-758. 758. And here it is. We're supposed to be. Maybe I messed up on it. Here, I'll try it again. It is 838-914. Sorry, I messed up. So it was 838-941. I said 914. 941. And 758. This is supposed to be the beach. But apparently, I don't know what's going on with it. I'll just keep trying. 8. This will be my last attempt. 941. It's not working. That's sad. I really like that one. Okay, I'm gonna mark that one down. It's not working. Let's do this one. 15631 5877. I'm gonna have to find some more codes. We already did that one. We did the bubbles too. Okay, guys, that is all I have for now. Oh, jeez. I have to turn what used to be my daughter's alarm clock off. But yeah, her room looks really nice. Just climb on top of her bed. She's not home now, so she's supposed to be at school. I don't know if she is, but she is. I told her to go early. And so yeah. And I'll have to redo this one because I do forget the code for this. But let's just type in a random one. Oh jeez. Look what I just typed in, guys. I think it is so funny how it does that. I'm pretty sure that one's good. Or not. Okay, guys, that is the end of our video for our decals. So please like, subscribe, and I will have to find more of these. And if you like them, please like. And next time I do a video, we'll have all of these pictures and I will show them to you. Bye, guys.